Yellow. Hello. Hey, 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 hey. Happy Tuesday. Let's see. Oh gosh. Hair whack, as per usual. Okay. How's it going? Cool, looks good. Hey everybody. Oh boy, do I have a lot of stuff to do. Well, luckily I was doing some work this morning. Oh, what's going on? Oh! Thank you, Owner King, for the sub subscription. Thank you so much. How's it going? Oh man, I have a lot of stuff to catch up on because things are not going according to schedule, so I really need to lock in today, this week. I know I said I was gonna stream on Wednesday, but I forgot it was my sister's graduation, so starting next week we'll stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe I'll do Friday this week, we'll see. Maybe I'll just try to do 3 times a week and not have like a specific set of days. I'm not sure what would be better. There will always be another Wednesday. That's so true. Very true. Atrium, hey, morning. Your iconic entrance line. Yeah, lots to do. Let's just jump right into it because I think I have to end the stream around 6 or 6:30, so we got no time to waste. I wish I could crop this video. I'm sure there is a way. Oh yeah, there's Zoom here. Oof. Okay. Interesting. Manual crop by moving the camera. I'm very disappointed in the lack of Among Us plushie. Man, I have little cousins that come over like every weekend. So obviously the Among Us gets stolen every weekend. So it's somewhere in my house. Do you even like Among Us anymore? And I don't even have a replacement plushie. How about this thing? It's me, but in Lego form. And I couldn't find black hair, so is it really me? Me and my camera. Kinda cute, right? But I have nowhere to put it. Maybe here? It's too tiny. I also have this. That's very cute too. There was candy in it before. Little Pac-Man arcade. Not functional. Is there candy for everyone? Oh! There's one more left. Because I saved it for my sister. But I never gave it to her. That was like months ago. Alright. Is there a random nail file here? Well, you can barely see it, but there you go. That'll be the replacement. I'll find the Among Us guy soon. Alright, what the heck was I doing? Okay, guys. I got my bouncing thing working. But... okay, check this out. You can put the shield down. You can change the direction. And let's say I want to make it go this way. Ta-da! So it does work. The only problem is... I need to make sure the danger points are assigned properly. So like, this should be dangerous now. Also, it should go all the way to the last point, right? Not just... yeah, it definitely should. So I need to fix that today too. Make sure it tries to find all nodes in that direction. Which should be fine. Hey, Zippy Zach, thank you for the sub. Oh, you guys are so nice. It's kind of crazy to see subbed for 4 months. That's insane. Thank you so much. Hope you've been doing good. So yeah, I'm gonna... let me see what I should finish today. We'll do... make sure gaze reaches the end of the path. Okay, that's one. And then gaze route dangerous. New gaze route. Make sure. Alright, those are 2 things I will definitely finish maybe in the next 30 minutes. And then today we are... maybe we'll do... plan 1 new Medusa gaze level. And then I think I'm ready to hop into some Zeus. Zeus's world. So maybe we'll do... we'll plan out some of the mechanics that we can introduce. I can't believe it's been 4 months already. Seriously. Where does the time go? It's been a good 4 months, though, for sure. 0.8, which is correct. Alright, let me see if I can make it go all the way to this point now. Time flies when you're game deving. It sure does. Definitely. But I was playing this level today and I'm like, I kind of like this mechanic. It can definitely be interesting. Okay, we'll do some Pomodoro. My Trello board. Did I have it open? Not sure. Alright, so we did do that. Yeah, forget that. Never happened. So we'll do this. No pasting? Come on. There we go. What are you guys up to today? Cheatery6. Hey. What's good? Everything's good. Everything's wonderful. How are you? Plan 1 new Medusa case. Oh, yeah. And then Zeus. Sure. Oh, we're gonna do Pandora's box in Zeus's world? Oh, also, do you guys know about Sisyphus? Should I give him a cameo in Zeus's world? Like with the boulder? Or make him maybe a character that we actually meet? Making a doc to present to the owners of my company on what security things we will be doing over the next couple months. I see. Yeah, I remember you mentioned a couple of security things. That sounds like a plan. And it's always good to do those type of things every so often. Just got a haircut. Feeling as light as a feather. Always a good day when you get a haircut. Unless they do it bad. Then... I'm doing the opposite, growing my hair out. I see. Cool stuff. Boulder rolling feels like a mechanic that could work well with time-based... Oh, yeah. So that might be here. And then maybe we can swap out... We don't need to swap anything out. Maybe we'll just use the boulder as a mechanic here. That could be good. And I think it matches. Because I think we don't have a concept art for Zeus's world yet. But I think it's gonna be like the top of Mount Olympus where it's all cloudy and it's pretty much the sky, you know? So it kind of makes sense with Sisyphus, his boulder. He had to climb Mount Olympus, right? Or was it something else? Oh, a steep hill in Tartarus. Oh, okay. Never mind. Anyways, I think it still makes sense. Unless you guys have different ideas. Also, I'm neglecting YouTube. I don't know if anyone's there, but I should probably connect it on my OBS. I've actually pitched it before too. Oh, cool. Yeah, maybe it was just lingering in my head and I never wrote it down. I think that would rock. Nice. Hey, Beard or Die. Hey. Welcome. Sisyphus just got a promotion out of hell and now runs a boulder pushing company. Right? I mean, it's a pretty good service. You can do a variety of things, right? Get rid of your mortal enemies. Okay, good. Let's make sure it reaches the end of the path. So it looks like it's already traversing in the right direction that I want. I just want it to continue going until it runs out of points in that direction. Let's see if we can finish this. Okay, timer's on. Ahoy, I'm here. Oh, yeah, Keely is here. Gotta be nice, gotta be nice. Hey, Blue Pin. Y'all going to bonus stage today? Take a wild guess. Not today, but I'll be there on Saturday. Not bonus stage, but the game dev meetup. I'm so sad I'm gonna work now instead of talking. Oh no. Alright. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, going in this direction. I'm pretty sure this is what I messed up. Right here. I might save my game dev hangouts for Saturday. Sounds good. The coffee shop meetup is my favorite one. You meet some characters at that one. Feels like I'm in a sitcom or something. That's so funny. When's the last time I've even been to the coffee shop one? I think it's been a while. That's where you met me. So true. That's probably the first place I met him, like offline too. Hold up. Okay, so it is breaking there. 1, 2. I just waited in Manisha's Discord. Some characters are awesome. Hey, hey. Alright. I'm pretty sure this is where I go wrong because I don't want it to break when there's no shield at the next one, right? Okay, this is definitely where I need to go to the next point, but... Okay, maybe we need a different pool here. Pool, shield, hit. The infinite loop is where it gets bad, though. Maybe? Oh, shoot, wait. Shield hit, false. Shield hit... true? Oh no. sorry. Yeah, this new microphone, well, it's my sister's. It's kind of ruining everything. Is that a little bit better? I hope. Yeah, it's the mic. It's very sensitive. I'm sorry. Also, I'm not using my mouse pad because I tapped on it after I wiped it down. It's right here. Sorry, buddy. Gonna need this. Check out my mouse pad. It looks a little dirty, but it's a Unity one. Keyboard is quiet though. No, the keyboard's pretty loud too because I have like one of the clicky ones. If you make a certain amount of money on that mouse pad, yeah, exactly. If the game that was made using this mouse pad takes off, they're gonna need a cut. All right, I'll try to type quietly. Okay, I really don't like using while loops because if it gets stuck, I'm screwed. Let's maybe do a double check. So it hits the shield, that's true. While it's true, let's keep looking in the same direction for a new node. Why? This is unnecessary. Don't need this, I guess. Okay, this is kind of scary. What are you working on today? I am working on this mechanic that I introduced in this level. I'm not sure how familiar you are, Crispy, with the game, but this level is introducing Medusa's gaze and a shield item. So you can place the shield down at any point you wish and rotate it. So this is a very temporary in terms of art. So if I wanted to go this way, it will, oh, well, I broke something, so it should bounce off the shield and go in that direction. Let's see what broke, I guess. Really? I guess we need to make sure we have a collectible. I guess this does make sense to keep here, but okay. That's interesting. Thank you. Yeah, no, this will be good because so the game is like turn-based movement, right? Every time you, the player, takes a move, the environment moves, or there's something just going to its next state. So this will be handy if there's something blocking the path that we need to destroy, right? Imagine this was, you know, We were talking about boulders, so a huge boulder blocking the way. Redirecting her gaze would kind of destroy it, and now we can get out of the path. So there's gonna be that kind of situation, and then perhaps some other ones. But there's only gonna be a few levels with this. It's kind of the boss area. Yeah, there it is. Okay, that works. Let's see if it works in the other direction. Probably not. I love crispy bacon. Okay. Sophia dies here because the original gaze path is just this, but we have to update it to the new reflected version, which is our next task. We'll do that later. Turning the boulder into stone destroys it. Okay, not boulder, but I was giving an example. Axel, welcome. A better example is, what else? A snake. Like, if there was a snake here, turn it into stone and it shatters or something. There you go. The logical explanation. Okay. It's not traversing the next node after the first one. So we definitely hit up to here. Oh. Okay, should we do that? Turn it into stone, and then Sisyphus has no choice but to push it up a mountain. That's so funny. Imagine. It could just be something like really hilarious. That would be funny though. If we like had a funny moment in Medusa's world where we turn something into stone. It could look like a boulder maybe, and then in the next world he could be pushing this little random funny object, but make it subtle, you know? Like an Easter egg. That could be funny. Ah, come on. So no direction left, yes. It is doing it a second time. That's correct. Oh! Oh, it just didn't... Oh, weird. Okay, seems like that was correct. It just didn't make the line render? It didn't add it to the line render? Why? Unless... maybe the line render needs to be kind of refreshed in that way. It's not even going to this one. Also, if there is no next point, it should be... there should be no path left, so it should break out of it. Technically. Let's try that. Okay, please. And why is this here? Okay, I guess this is not really necessary. We'll keep it there. Just so that we know. Someone made all these stone things that I have to get rid of if I ever find out who did this. How's your progress so far in the game? Do you feel like you're working at an ideal pace? to complete certain features or mechanics based on a timeline, if you have one. Manisha lately has been saying she is getting too much done, if you can believe that. No! No, lately I feel like my productivity has gone down. I'm gonna try to step it up a little bit more. But last week I did make a timeline here. Uh-oh. I need to make it a little more specific, but I'm supposed to get all this stuff done by the 31st. Yikes. 31st. Let's say June 2nd is my playtest here. I'm trying to do one playtest per month. Yeah. Which is not terrible, but I like to do Mondays. It's like after a crunch weekend. So that's gonna be playtest number 5. Not terrible, I guess. Because I find it's a little bit easier to work on the starting mechanics for a world, and it gets harder and harder to implement as I keep going. Because I have to manage the boss area, which I'm doing now for Medusa, and there's like some build up I need to do, so like the levels have to be a little more interesting. But the first, I think I said first 10 Zeus levels won't be as terrible. And localization I want to start, right? Where did I say finish? There's no finish localization, but yeah. Anyways, that's the answer, crispy bacon. I am a little bit behind, but I'll try my best. Your keyboard isn't that clicky from viewer point of view, which is good. Nice. Good to know. Alright. I think I said next week I'll start the localization implementation, so say 26th. Yeah. Let me put this here. These dates don't really make sense here. Maybe I should move it here. General milestones, and then these dates are for the specific task. Okay, we can do it. We can do it. So, I have 6 days to finish 10 Zeus levels. I think I can do it. I'm running behind every game dev ever. Yeah. And then I said first iteration of trailer in June, but we'll see about that. I mean, this is like super ambitious. That's why I'm a little bit worried. Oh, wait, what'd I do? Why am I big? Oh. Sorry. What's going on? Why do I look like this? There we go. My bad. I don't know when I became big. Full screen. Alright. So yeah, that's the plan. This. I don't know when the screen switched. Okay. Yeah, so aiming to get this stuff done by this month. And some notes and details. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds wonderful. Did I already test this? Yes! Okay, awesome. Looks like that works. Maybe we should put it here and test this way. And... oh, wait. Okay, let's test down. Cool. Excuse me. Put it here. Whoa! Zapped. Zapped, zapped, zapped. Alright, we're done task 1. Okay. Good. We're on a roll. Make sure new gaze route is dangerous. So basically when I did that and I came back here, I should have got zapped, you know? So this is just a matter of replacing everything that's in the gaze route, right? I was thinking of just making a new. Is it gonna have to be a list? I think so. Because I don't know how long the route will be. Visited. Can we do list to array without a for loop or something? No, just to array, right? Are you serious? it's the YouTube chat. Good catch, Axel. How did everything get distorted? It's so funny. And why is it so big? That's actually hilarious. Okay. Cool. That's funny. Yeah, VIP treatment. Holy moly, what? That's crazy. Accidentally started typing with stuff? Yeah, maybe. Like, there's probably shortcuts that I pressed. Because it made me giant. I cut myself off here. And it distorted everything. Dinera, hey! Oh, thank you for the sub. Just popping on to say hi. Hello. How you doing? How are you? Yeah, this is not gonna work. You can lock layers. Oh, yes, I should probably do that. Let's lock these guys. Oh, I did have a couple of them locked. Thank you. What am I doing wrong here? Hey! Sleepy Dragon GMS. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. What's the elevator pitch for your project? Okay, I got this. So I'm working on Sophia's Path. It's a Greek myth turn-based game. Not super turn-based, like in the traditional sense, more like when the player moves one, the environment kind of takes a turn as well. So your job is to get from point A to point B through multiple levels and through cool worlds that are inspired by Greek mythology. So that's the main menu that might give you an idea of like the visuals. And you traverse through like the village, Medusa's land, Zeus's place, etc., etc. And yeah, you'll encounter cool characters on the way as well. But very much a puzzle game rather than strategy. Rather than the strategy that comes with like traditional turn-based games. Brainoid! Hey! Hi loves! Hello! Oh, I like those emojis. Cat. How do I get myself some of that? I like that title screen. Wish list when? Oh, the command that Axel just sent has the wish list link if you'd like to wish list. It is on Steam. I have to make updates there, but feel free to wish list if you're interested. Yeah. Limited time only. I'm kidding. Object reference not set to an instant. That doesn't seem right. That's the line renderer, so I should be doing it here too. No, maybe right here. Before we replace it. And then... I mean... maybe it was right, and it was just trying to render it? I'm not sure. My wife has a degree in classical studies, Greek myth. This is right up her alley. Yeah! That would be awesome. That's why I'm trying to really add a lot of the stories that I've read. I have a couple books. I'm trying to encounter prominent characters. What else? And try to relate the mechanics to, you know, what they kind of do and how they are. If she has any, like, favorites, let me know. And I can try to add them. Like, this is what the streams are for, too. Like, whatever you guys want to see, I want to add it, too, if it makes sense. Hey, Mudbound! Welcome, welcome. How's it going? Alright, please don't mess up. Oh, I see what it's doing. Thank you, Sleepy Dragon. Appreciate the follow. Okay, my line render. What's going on here? I think it's just adding to it. Okay, so it needs to refresh it. Good. Avoiding work at the moment. Of course. Anything to get away. But, how's it going here? Not bad. Already knocked off one task, which is good. Now, totally butchering the next task. Wait, why is it adding? Okay, hold up. Totally wrong, and I know why. Because it's going through this. It is making a new list every time. Do you guys ever feel like the more effort that goes into the mechanic, hopefully the more fun it is? Or is that what I'm just hoping for? It's like, this better be worth it. Okay. So, looks like when I assign the new gaze route is when it messes up. Which probably makes sense because... because it's using this. Yeah. Sometimes I think it's the opposite, which sucks. Like, the simpler it is, the more fun it should be. Like, the simpler it is to implement. That's why I'm confused, right? I would hope that would be the case. Is it though? Because like if you overcomplicate something, or if it's harder to implement, the reward from that definitely needs to be worth it. And is the output really fun, or is it something else? Did you just make it more complicated? I never feel anything. Simpler ideas are sometimes better, and don't overdevelop. Yeah, I agree. I guess you just really need to. Maybe the more mechanics I pump out, the better I'll be at kind of pointing out which ones are worth it, or just scrap it. Like, this is not worth implementing. Well, you said more effort, not more complexity. Yeah, I would say more complexity, which kind of comes with effort too, right? I feel that way, and then I put it in front of people and they say, I hate you and this. What? Oh no, but it's hard to know while you're doing it. Yeah, exactly. You can put lots of effort into a simple idea. It's true. I think I meant like... what did I mean? I'm not sure. I think devs who iterate over something a lot aren't more likely to improve it. However, I think lots of iterations with rounds of feedback from the intended audience is guaranteed to make it better. Right. You never really know how things will play out to players. They could hold the hammer by the metal part. Yeah. That's a little bit of a gamble, huh? Hey, Da Vinci. Hello, hello, Finn. Welcome. Sam, hey. What's up, guys? I mean, yeah, then there's a ceiling to more complexity being more better. I guess so, right? Actually, well, I think it really depends. Because it depends on your skill level and how things are designed, right? Let's say we had like a new developer and they don't really know how to implement something, so they can make it like very complicated for themselves, and then the output's still not as good, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. I should just do work. Game dev content while making games. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so I need to replace the specific gaze fruit. Which, maybe we should just make that. Maybe we should just make this. More philosophical, directly in correlation to her productivity lowering. Oh my gosh. I think complexity has a fun curve, which is different for different games, but it's definitely not true that increasing complexity will always increase enjoyment. Yeah. Make my game more complex, made it bad. Yeah. I wonder, right? But the more stuff there is to do, the more fun it is. Yeah, it can be a mix. Okay. So... it seems like when I add the new gaze thing is when it goes wackadoodle. So. Where are you from? Manisha is a pretty common name here. I'm wondering if you are from Sri Lanka. You got it right. That's my background, but I live in Canada. Engineered to Purpose. Is that a game that you worked on, Keely? I must have missed it. Oh, the command. There you go. Someone got it right for once. Yes. You win. I don't think a single person has gotten it right ever. Yeah. Literally. It's because my name is more like Indian, so I don't blame them. Okay, what was I doing? So gaze root, new gaze root to array, but this messes it up because it's probably because it's not actually overriding it, right? Or how do I clear a line render? Doesn't make sense to do this if you What was the issue? Keely was the lead programmer. Oh, cool. Level design balance. Barely did any coding. I see. Let me take a look real quick. Oh. Very cool. So if you don't mind me sharing. Oh, and it's actually released. That's pretty awesome. Tower defense strategy. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Just like on your free time? Is that what you did? Like another side project? Okay. Oh no. Skippity skippity. What we need is... Oh shoot. Are you serious? Why? Oh shoot. The game looks so cute. Oh, thanks, Sam. Oh, paid to do it. Very cool. He likes ants versus plants more. The ultimate compliment. Yes. I mean, which one did you get paid for though? Okay, I definitely messed up my code, so I need to fix it. But, so Sam, this is a little bit temporary, but we do have some art that's complete in the first couple levels if you're interested. So it is very cute. You only got a little dose of it. And you can click here. I'm gonna change the font on these guys. The village is up ahead. Oh, there's a cool little transition screen, which I might ask her to put in a little border there to make it look more organic. Anyways. President not sure. Hey, NREs, the bane of my existence. Oh, you were part of the team, but more content is not coming. I worked on it for 3 years. It was in development for at least 5 to 6. Holy moly. That's crazy. That's a long time. Is the team still making games, like the leads and such? I want to suggest a feature. If you're standing away from keyboard, a puff of wind sweeps in and puts Sophia off balance slightly. Yes, I have a lot of animations that I want to add, like cute little charming ones. That's a good one. And like all the... She's gonna have little quirks and stuff, you know? A little bit of a skip, a little bit of, you know, all that sort of things. So that's a good suggestion. Thank you, Oathr. Oh my god. What art program do you use? So we have an artist, her name is Laura, and she uses Procreate. It's me working on it with the game design and coding, and then Laura works on the art, and Oathr is our musician. So, a little team effort. The lead dev stopped doing game dev. Not sure if they're taking a break or just done with it. Oh gosh. Yeah. This song is a little loud. Sorry. Let's turn it down a little. Let me know. That might be what I get for Chicken Scratch 2. 2 Steam reviews per year. Oh my gosh. I'm scared for like releasing games. Don't know what to expect. Nicola, hey, what language do you use? I use C# and the Unity game engine. Okay, my timer rang and I didn't finish this. Shake my head. It was not supposed to be that hard. So let's try again. Should we take our break? Apparently I don't do Pomodoros properly. So give my compliments to her, I will. I always let her know if you guys say anything. I'm her #1 fan though. Break time. Yes. Bethany, hey! What's up? We're doing a little break and then we'll get right back into it. See, I feel, what do you call it? When you don't have a purpose. During my 5 minutes of break time. That's what I feel. It's like, what do I do? What should I do? Pet my cat a little? Oh, I need to show you guys my sticky notepad. If I can find it. Sorry, kitty. Is it under here? Where did it go? No. Okay, I don't know where I put it, but it was a funny one. I'll show you next time. Technically, you're supposed to stand up and move a bit. Pronam. Leave a room because brain reset. That's true. I feel like if I wasn't streaming, I would do that, but it feels weird to... Okay, we could do a stretch. A little exercise. Some yoga time. During my breaks, I go and stand in the garden. Photosynthesize for 5 minutes. That's a good one. Did you ever decide if you wanted to have a sales goal for Sophia? I don't know. If you guys can help me with that, that would be great. When I do pommos, I work through the breaks. That's literally what I've been doing. And I got shamed. I need to find that sticky note now, because it was literally here. Okay, at least that'll make me get up, you know? It'll be here somewhere. Oh, wait. Weird. It really disappeared. Oh no, it's right here. But it needs to be censored. Wait, what did I write on it? Literally the most vague tasks. It says catch up on Sophia's path. And also, I have to rank the Xanderwood games. Ta-da! So you can check off which one it is. So what is it for you guys? I guess for me it was that. Love the earrings? Thanks, Beth. It's a funny one. F a duck. That's kind of funny too. That's an option. Show us cat. Kitty. Oh, kitty? Well, let me show you, I guess. I guess I could do that. No. Sorry. Earthquake. Wow, looking so handsome. Alright, we got 26 seconds. Oh, what? You're so cute. Oh my goodness. The paws, so very cute, but they need to be trimmed a little. Some toe beans. Oh, it's kind of grumpy. Oh my goodness, very fluffy. All right, back to work. Alright, well, that was exciting. New Pomo task, pet cat. Should it be? For 25 minutes? Can't say no to that. He's trying to eat my wires. He is very much a troublemaker. The amount of wires that he's, like, chewed through. Not good. That's basically what forced me to learn how to solder. Fix this guy's trouble. Look at what happens when you take breaks, right? Okay, let's jump back into it. I gotta make sure I finish this in the next 25 minutes because it's not supposed to be that hard. And I'm not sure what really happened. Did you ever order that replacement port? I have not. She hasn't asked for her mic back. That's why. Once she asks for it back, then I'm screwed. Oh yes. I don't know if some of you guys heard me in the beginning, but I know I said I would stream on Wednesday starting this week, but I forgot it's my sister's graduation tomorrow. So maybe I'll stream on Friday. I can't remember if I have stuff to do. Otherwise, next week. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 100, I promise. So, I guess that was, you aren't going to stream the graduation. That would be funny. I should just hand off the stream to her, ask her to vlog the whole experience, live stream it. I need to do a soldering practice type of deal too. Like I've done it and fixed minute things, but I want to be able to do more. Ooh, yeah, you should work on a cool little project maybe. That could be fun. Excuse me. Is this the one going into med? Yeah. Well, she just graduated from health science, which is the bachelor's. So young. What the frick? No sneezing, please. It's scaring my plants. So funny. Okay, what did I do? I broke something. Okay. Oh my gosh. Soldering is fun. Just make sure well ventilated and all that. Yeah. Probably. I mean, I think the few times that I've done it, I've kind of done it in the garage. One time I just opened the window when I had to do something small in my room. Is that bad? What the heck? I really butchered something. I would have technically graduated this year. Clearly, I spent my time much more wisely, though. Yeah, making games. Making money, too. Yeah, I guess you might be the same age as my sister, then. She was born in 2003. Hey Finn, very majestic. The little kitty, yeah. Gotta head out. I'm crunching on a game jam. Bye everyone. Bye Sam. I don't know if I replied too late, but good luck on the game jam. And Faison, hey, what's up, what's up? 2003 gang represent. Oh yeah, there you go. Tiny people, right? So young. So young. Oh my gosh, feels old, man. Elderly gang represent. Elderly. Don't count me in. I need a separate gang from those two. Just in the middle. Okay, so I definitely screwed something up. What's it gonna be? You're either youthful or ancient. Oh my gosh. This should go back to how it is. Not notable. 90s to 2000s is the sad gang. Oh my. Okay, reverted back to normal. Good. Maybe I'll push that into... I mean, commit that. Alrighty then. Okay, cool. People born in the 90s are set up for success because they got to experience pre-internet stuff and post-internet stuff. Maximum context. I guess that's true. Got a little dose of it all. Alright, come on. The pre-2000s people coping hard right now. Do we have any of those? Oh. I mean 2000s, yeah. That's us. Coping. I thought you said 90s for a second. The pre-90s. We might have a couple of them too. Alright, I'm really not progressing on this task, so I need to buckle up, bucko. I think I need to refresh the... Oh no, what clip do we have there? I'm not watching that. Just barely dodged the bullet of being pre-90s. I see. We have a few pre-80s. I don't know about pre-70s. Oh my. Do we have pre-80s? I'm not sure we do. But possibly. I think you should hear the beautiful music. No, thank you. Oh, yes. I think we do have pre 80s. And we do have a good diversity in our Discord too. So, and I love to see it. We don't shame anyone. No age shaming. No. Forgot to bring a glass of water, but maybe I'll do that on my next break. Oh boy, already wasted 10 minutes. Okay. Brain, brain, brain. Do a little debug here. Just make sure that everything is going as planned. Add. And let's just initialize it. I mean, just gotta double check that. Blah, blah. Okay. Let's see. What are you talking about? I can't believe I'm over 30. I don't feel any different than 18 other than come on, man. But that's kind of true. I don't feel my age. I feel much younger. Uh-oh. I need to get up to let my cat out. But getting up is not allowed unless it's a break, right? I'm kidding. I will go do that in just a moment. Oh, dearie, dearie, dearie. Oh, that is not good. Holy frick, man. It's just adding to the line render count. So let me just make sure I'm clearing. Clear a line render. So you don't need to. Or re-render. Okay, I gotta let him out. Using coroutine? That's what I thought. I thought it was just replacing it, but that means the line count is just messed up, I guess. This. So this needs to be cleared. But where? She got up. I can't let my cat suffer from being in the same room as me. Oh, every move? Wait, 12. Okay, every time it reaches... I feel his pain. Think. Okay, seems like it's weird here for sure. No. 7? But it should have been 4. So why is it increasing? The only thing I look at is how long I've been trying to be successful in game dev. 3 years and no success, that's okay. 5 years, 8 years, red flag. It's kind of true, I guess. Is 8 years the cutoff? Depends how seriously we take it, right? Oh my goodness. Where is this happening? I mean, it's definitely this. Line point, add. MB95, hey. Happy coding, thank you. Appreciate that. How are you doing? In my opinion, 10 years is the actual cutoff. It's really hard to believe you'll be successful if you haven't been able to after 10 years. I see. I guess that's fair, right? Unless you're a hobbyist. Bot Musty. Hey! Welcome, welcome. The last emoji is pretty much copying the default. Gore! Oh no, don't cry. I'm crying internally because I can't finish this task. Gosh. Darn it. Why is it doing that? I mean... we only need it to re-render once, technically. That's not really the fix. Ishan, hey, hello, hello. How's it going, guys? Six. It's definitely adding to it. Line render is the bane of my existence. Okay, it did get cleared, but somehow it turns out to be 13 afterwards because I'm probably double adding it or something. Add it, add it. And I expected it to be here. Guess that makes sense. Seven, huh? Or need to mute stream so I can work on music. No worries, no worries. Bye bye. Yell in chat if things are on fire. All good, Axel. Good luck on the music. I think everyone is different, to be honest. A lot of the huge hits right now were made by people doing it for around 10 years. It's true. I mean, I don't know for sure, but I assume like people have been working a long time. But also, how do you define success? Oh my gosh, 9 seconds to finish this task. Not happening. I think I just need to overwrite a C sharp. We're gonna skip our break and keep going. Axel's still watching. Okay. Didn't I basically ask this already? Do I just need to overwrite it? Actually, yeah, this does not make any sense at all. Okay. Ah, there's another consideration. If they remove the shield, it needs to default to the regular schmegular one. You guys are... Aura Studios, hey! Hello. How's it going? How is the day going? Frick. Still alive. I came back from my run. Awesome. I did a 2.7 kilometers in 13 minutes. Very nice. 3-kilometer jog back home. Oh, sweet. After a nice shower, I'm just coding away at Buried Below. Holding some convos with the team and some Twitch. How are you doing? Nice. Sounds like you're having a good, productive day. I'm happy for you. I'm doing good. A little bit stuck on this one task, but I already know. I'm just being silly and making a little mistake. So we'll see. What did I do? It's not turning now. Or let's just use Git. Ah, no. Open Illustrator by accident. Nice. Yeah, I like seeing your updates too in the Discord. It's always very cool. There's always something that's being added, or the atmosphere of the game has changed a little. It's also cool. These streams have the loveliest songs. Oh, yeah, they're very chill and relaxing. Love songs like these. Makes me feel calm. Yeah, exactly. Just nice to have in the background. Okay, it's working that way. All systems from Buried Below are made from the ground up this time. Woo! Nothing has been reused from my other projects, nor any external ones. It's a lot of work. Wow, nice. Toughest thus far has been a unique inventory system without UI and a saving system. Very nice. I mean, if you really solidify those foundations, you can use them for your future games, right? Is that why? Like you wanted to improve them? No, didn't refresh it. Don't lie, Keely. Keely's working on something awesome. Chicken scratch. Oh, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds right. Root. Oh. Are you for real? It's supposed to be not dangerous. Oh, forgot to remove it from there. Okay, now it should be good. Yeah, you guys are all working hard. Ishan, is AI generated music allowed in your music jam? We're gonna say no. No AI generated music has to be made yourself. Especially because it's a creative jam just for music, you know? It's an opportunity to learn and, you know, get creative with it. Okay, it did make these ones dangerous. Oh, not this one? Interesting. Finn is fine. Hey. Thank you for the follow. AI do be creating some certified bangers though sometimes. It's true. You know, I want to dislike it, but I'm like, it's pretty good. Can't hear right now, but hi. Hey. Well, I assume you're stuck in an ad, so I'll wait. I'll give you a delayed hi. Use of unsigned local variable. I literally forgot how to use a list. If I'm continuously adding to it, then... There. Should be ample. We have joint ownership of the game design, if you ask me. I should go back and make it worse. Yes, safe. Oh, now it didn't go to the next one. God damn. This thing is being this thing is being real buggy. It's not looking good for me. It should have gone to the last one. Mm-mm-mm. 600 unique players today. Very nice. The power of free. Awesome. If you guys haven't played Ants vs. Plants anymore, yet, please do check it out. Our little game jam game. Drop a link, Victor. Okay. Nice. Yeah, check it out, guys. If you so wish. Think, man. literally in the middle of chaos. I cannot possibly take a break. What? Why? Oh. Oh, please. I beg thee. It's not even going the right way anymore. Although it says right. And the point is proper. So it's not doing the line render properly. Medusa T, hey! How's the dev going? We crying in Unity or being gleeful in Unity? Definitely crying. Definitely crying. We are encountering bugs. In fact, this is not really working out for me. But we're close. Hit 2 wishlist deletions. That's so sad. Oh my. I gotta figure out the direction thing. Twitch tried to stop me from threatening Brainoid. The direction is proper, the point is proper, the line render, it's not working. Oops. I have 151 deletions. Oh my gosh. That's so sad. I mean, maybe they're just bots and stuff, right? That get cleared. A majority of it, possibly. I'm just trying to be optimistic, but I do see. I see it on mine too. What did I literally do? Okay. I think I need to revert again. This is annoying. But once I add the gaze, mute. I have turn-based Thursday Fest and Best Indie Game Showcase before Next Fest, so hopefully I can dive into Next Fest with 4K wishlist. Oh, that's so awesome. Yeah, that's a good goal. Oh, 3,000 plus wishlist? That's amazing. Congrats. You said you released the demo like last week, right? Which is awesome. Okay, I think. isn't doing that. It knows that the next node is here. It's not signing. Um, 2 weeks ago, yes, and the demo's been doing really good. 41 minutes of median playtime. Awesome. That is so cool. I need to play the demo soon. I will do it for sure. Make a good game and market it like crazy. Yes, please give us your brainoid. Donate a part for charity. Wesley OC? Wesley Ock? Hey, thank you for the follow. Oh, I need a snack. It's almost snack time. Okay, maybe if I can figure this out, I'll treat myself. Weasley, hey. Welcome, welcome. I'm looking forward to see you start marketing your game. I look forward to that day too. Man, it's literally breaking if it has to go right. 8. Okay, we should probably debug it a little bit more, see what's up. There's a set of 15 things to keep in mind for Steam releases that I just searched for earlier because of how solid I think they are. Oh, please do share. Well, let's review them together. Yogurt with blueberry snack, as always. I do have, there's always Greek yogurt in my fridge, you know? But I'll have to see what else there is. There's like some different types of cheeses, I know. Something good. Oh, I did buy like tortilla chips, but I need to make fresh salsa. I made some yesterday. Okay, let's take a look. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. For a full launch, around 2 to 6% of your wish list typically convert to purchases during launch week. Yeah, that's what I've heard. You get featured on the popular upcoming tab when your game reaches 10,000 plus wish lists. Right. Okay, 10,000. thought it was 7,000 for this, like, Steam to pick up your game for the algorithm. But maybe it's 10K for this list. Exactly. If your game has 10K wishlist before launch and it's priced around 20 to 30, you can expect to gross around $200,000 during launch week. That's insane. Peak concurrent players on launch day are closely correlated with first week Steam feature placement. Shorter games are at an obvious disadvantage. So the number of peak players is related to the first week. What's Steam feature placement? What does that mean? 90% of games never recoup development costs without external marketing efforts beyond just Steam organic traffic. Either your budget needs to be close to $0 or you have to get educated on marketing. Oh my god, 90% is crazy. If your game has 10K wishlist before launch and it's priced at 20, you get 200K. Oh. Right. Probably a typo. If like 1,000 people play the game but at different times during the day, the benefit for ranking isn't as good versus 1,000 that are playing at the same time. Gotcha. Okay. So shorter games are at obvious disadvantage because there won't be any overlap for the most part. Gotcha. Steam tags are obviously are one of the biggest discovery factors. Games with 15 plus accurate tags see 2 to 3 times better organic reach. Gotcha. 15 tags. How many do they usually recommend on Steam? I know I added a lot. Adding a demo can boost your wishlist conversion rates by 10 to 20%. That sounds about right. I think a lot of these I've already heard. Games that participate in Next Fest see an average 400% increase in wishlist. That's exciting. Next Fest demos that are updated mid-event often get an extra boost by being resurfaced in the festival feed. Early access with roadmaps, yeah. Sounds about right. Transparency wins trust. Yeah, people want to see what's upcoming. What else are you gonna add? Of course. Localizing your Steam page into just 5 languages increases wishlists. Gotta do that for sure. So it's French, Dutch, Spanish, Russian, and Chinese. Interesting. Discounts not attached to seasonal events underperform by 40%. Okay, gotta do seasonal. Hello! Richardson? Hi! You look like a wise woman. Is it possible to learn cybersecurity on Unity since it uses C#? Even though I know most people use Java, but I don't want to burn my chair sitting 24/7 to learn Java. Cybersecurity with C#? Maybe not on Unity? But maybe if you're just making an application, it's probably possible. I'm not sure how cybersecurity comes into play in game development. Maybe it depends on what you're working on. But Java and C# are quite similar, so it might transfer. And also hi. No worries. M-Audio. Hey, I don't know if I said hi. I saw your little doggo emoji, but I think I forgot to say hi. Hello. Sorry for wasting your time. No worries. No. We're here to learn. Yes, I'm game dev. Working on a little game here. Multiplayer games. Oh yeah, cybersecurity can fall into that section. So if you want to make a multiplayer game, that might be a good... That's also a big way to learn, though. A big undertaking. DE is German, not Dutch. Sorry. Where is it? Oh, where was it? DE. German. Yeah, my bad. I think NL is Dutch. Is it acronym or symbol? Region? Or Dutch language. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Someone figured that out. Right, German. Players who follow your game are 3 times more likely to buy than players who simply wishlisted it. Encourage your fans to not only wishlist, but follow. Okay, cool. Yeah, I forgot about following, because I usually don't do it myself. Free DLC or small post-launch updates can double your tail sales. I have to remember that. I'm someone who doesn't... Well, I guess Game Jam games don't really count, but I don't really go back to what I worked on. And the only game that I ever released officially, Rocket Pig on Play Store, I didn't do any updates after. So that's a big one for me. I really need to spend... I put it on my timeline. Launch day continuous updates. So we'll do it for a couple weeks, a month. We'll see. Steam traffic is now 40% mobile browsing. Your capsule art, 40%? Actually, I'm kind of guilty of doing that too. I have the app. Your capsule art and screenshots need to look readable at phone size. Good point, good point. I didn't think about that. There's some interesting facts here, but obviously I cannot confirm a lot of these values, but they do look familiar from what I've seen before. There's a lot of new ones, so... And also the typo kind of makes credibility here a little bit finicky. So we'll see. We'll see. But thank you for sharing, Medusa T. Appreciate that. We like information. We can filter ourselves. This is so backwards. Calm down, Bluepin. We can filter what we take. Followers are more likely to buy. That's not how it works. The stat is only true because no one is encouraging following. Once people start doing that, it won't be true anymore. True that. DE is German, I believe. Got it. Yes, I realized that. I guess I jumped at the Dutch. Cool. I haven't been on Blue Sky in a while. I don't really use it. Thank you for sharing. I was a fool and released a demo for the game like 2 years ago. It's okay. It's okay. It's nice to get the demo out there. My Pomodores are literally just passing by so quickly. I don't think I even fixed anything. Like, technically my second task is not... My first task was not even done properly because it's buggy. Didn't even get the shield. Don't you dare. This time I didn't even start it. I want a snack, so I might actually take the 5-minute break. So it's just not working for right. Snacks not allowed, please. I need it. I'm gonna drink a beer, which is notably not a snack. I need a snack. I can feel my stomach. It's begging me. But I would like to make a salsa, so that's gonna take a long time. I might have to do that after the stream. What the frick? Is it not refreshing? Five languages, small update after release, capsule viewable on mobile, timing your releases, 15 plus tags. Yeah, those all seem like those make the most sense to me too. Having those in order. Why, man? When you said I heard it's 7K, this number is going to be based on who's releasing around you. You have to be top 8 in wish list during your launch week, during your launch 2-week period. Sometimes being top 8 means 7K wish list. Oh, gotcha. So, yeah, gotta see who's launching around the same time. I wonder if it's just bugging out because it's probably this. Am I just not? The fact that it hit this point. Hmm. It's a weird concept that everything is competing with everything else for someone's time. It's true. That is so true. What is going on here? Just double check with my sister. I will make it so that 10,000 people see the game. You've convinced me. Yes. Stop hiding your game away. Okay, it's not breaking this time, but the line render is not rendering properly. What the frick? A4. 1, 2. Okay, line render broken. Absolutely. Hello, One Mavu Kai. Hey, welcome to the stream. Okay, just completely butchered, huh? Hello, friend. Oh, I see. It must be returning. There is no healthier or more wholesome music than this, right? It's healing in a way. Alright. If this works, snack time. Although I might have to end this stream kind of early today. Yeah! It's working again. And the other way. Let's frickin' go. Okay. And now, the moment of truth. Let's not get crazy. Why? Reset danger points. Oopsies. Forgot to avoid. And that. And... if this is gonna mess it up, I don't know what to say. You know? Axel, you're lucky you even got a stream. You tell him. Okay. No, it didn't refresh the points. Oh. Reset danger points. False in the default route. True. Why? I wanted to sleep. I rolled out of bed for this. No, we're co-working. Come on. Chop chop. Don't worry, there's graduation stream tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Okay, that worked. The new danger zone. Man, I don't know how we're gonna, oops. Like make some of this stuff look good. Like how am I gonna make a line renderer look good? I mean, it's possible, obviously. No. This point was supposed to be... Uh-oh. I'm getting a call. Personally, I just let my line renderers look like trash. You're ending early, just enough time to make it to bonus stage. Oh. No. I'm being scouted by... No, I need to be my sister's bodyguard because she needs to pick up something from Marketplace. Some rando on Facebook. Some rando on Facebook's cousin at the GO station. So I'm a little bit concerned. Not like I can do anything, even if I went with her. I love going to Facebook Marketplace meetings. You never know what you're gonna get. Just a fun time. Or a crazy experience. Okay, at this point, it should be not dangerous. Take the original gaze route and set it to false. What's so hard about that? I don't understand. Okay. Life is like a Facebook Marketplace meeting. That's so deep. Where did she even go? Where did Medusa's gaze go? Oh, she's right there. Okay. I thought the timing didn't work out there. No. Okay. Point 1, setting true. What? Point 1, setting true? Setting false, setting false, setting false. Right. True, true. True? Oh, I must have used it somewhere else. Ah. Setting true. Setting true. Use new gaze route. Oops. Okay, it's not even setting it false. Oh, shoot. I was supposed to keep it here. Oh. Okay. No, 6 o'clock? Alright, I got 15 minutes. Okay, at least I can finish this task, right? 100%. This is too many for loops though. Can condense that a little bit. $15. You should try selling the rice to Sophia on Facebook Marketplace. Alright. No! Why? Setting true. Why the frick? Okay, use your brain. Let's see. Why is it even in this? Roshan, hi! Love the lo-fi beats. Yeah. I feel like we got some new ones today. Maybe not. Finally. There's still a lot I need to do though. Like opening up a pathway. I guess that's a separate task. It's gonna be real hard to design some interesting puzzles with this mechanic though. Excuse me. I'm off, gonna go not do game dev and then go do game dev later. Okay, nice. Good luck with your bartering. See you later, Keely. Have a good rest of the day. Enjoy the evening. Okay, well, I'm pretty happy with the mechanic at least. It probably shouldn't have taken me that long, but there were a couple dumb things that I did. And I can probably clean this up a little bit more. Well, is there anything else we can finish in 10 minutes? Maybe I can pick what I'm gonna work on later. Cause, okay, so we said the Zeus boulder, probably. What else, what else, what else, what else? petting cat? Yes. Oh. Oh my gosh. He's in a 10 out of 10 loaf position. You know? When you can't even see their paws. Just think, if you had taken those breaks, you wouldn't have 10 extra minutes. You're not wrong. Okay. Boulder thing. That might be a good first one. The magical bowl charging might be a better later. Oh, get in here. Lightning bolt on spaces. How do we make that fun? I gotta think about that. Maybe I should brainstorm that now. My handy dandy notebook. Okay, my promise to myself is today I will plan one Medusa level now that I have the mechanic done. So that's either with an obstacle in the way, and I might intro a type 2 gargoyle that kind of just behaves a little bit differently. So instead of following a route, I think you might just like rotate in position and look 1 or 2 ahead. So I wonder how many levels I can even make. Maybe like 2 to 3. I feel like I just introduced like the huge gaze mechanic and reflecting it, so I need to use it for a little bit, right? So 2 to 3 levels, depending on how long they are. I can't believe we're finally at the end of Medusa's world. That's crazy. Am I satisfied with it? That's another question. I don't want to speak too soon, but I think the productivity is back. Maybe. I mean, today's a fairly short stream, and at least I got 2 tasks done. I'll take it. I'll take the small wins. Okay. So, I need a quest for Hera. I was gonna make her like, she's a goddess of like the home. So I was gonna kind of make her a very like welcoming old lady that kind of wants to just take care of Sophia type of vibe, you know? The jolly old lady. The grandma you've always wanted. So maybe she needs a secret ingredient for like her special cookies or something. It should relate a little bit more to Greek myth. So I'll try to find something that kind of relates to a good quest that she can give you. And I might not make her first either. And then let's introduce some of the first. She's not gonna be first. She's gonna be like after a couple levels, after like 3 levels. And then, so we'll start by introducing, oh, and I did want to do teleportation here, right? I feel like it's a good time. Or the attack. Maybe we'll do the attack. And teleportation in Hades' world seems more... I wanted her to get cursed by like a witch and turn into a ferret. So we'll see if that still happens. We can do the Pandora's box somewhere sooner, maybe. Okay. Lightning bolt seems like a good first one. seems like a good one to start with, and maybe the boulder. Then we'll introduce the magical bull. You guys have any ideas for maybe a Cyclops mechanic? Like, he could definitely maybe make multiple boulders hit at once. Like maybe he slams his fist or something. I don't know how to visualize this. Like, he's not on the map. He's kind of like what Medusa is right now, just peeking. You know? Like peeking, or it's really hard to visualize sometimes. Something with the one eye, you can hide from him or something. That could be good, but it might be too close to the gaze thing. Like with Medusa. Yeah. Takes 40 minutes. Let's just take the GO train. Okay, maybe it's dark and he can only see you if you're in the spotlight. That's pretty good. Maybe he can like, yeah, maybe he can peek through like the path. So instead of like Medusa's kind of hovering over the path, maybe he can like just have an eye in the path itself, like through a crack. That could be funny. But who is that? That's my sister, my middle sister, not the one graduating. It's close to Medusa, but maybe there's something there. Yeah, I kind of like the eye peeking thing. That's pretty good. So basically, this is the boss area. If you pass the boss area, you can talk to Zeus. Do you guys like that? Zeus is not super involved. Or maybe I should like have him cameo here and there through the world. It's because I was trying to combat the like him getting mad type of thing. It's more like we're trying to meet Zeus in his world, so we have to pass these obstacles to meet him. Anywho, he could be bigger than this situation. That's why he's involved in a negative. Yeah, exactly. It's more like, oh, we need to adventure our way through this world so that we can talk to Zeus or talk to somebody, you know? And like, it'll hint throughout. So I think that's fine. As long as it really looks like his world, right? Like that he's ruling this. Why are we meeting Zeus again? It's more like he's just a point in this adventure, you know? Like we're making our way through to figure out where Sophia's dad is. So he's just an encounter. Casually running into Zeus, exactly. Okay, I gotta wrap up the stream, guys. I'm being rushed by these guys. No, okay. I gotta go. Anyone we can raid? Let's see. Keisha, you wanna come to the stream? They want a graduation stream by you tomorrow. I told them I gotta go. Here, come. Woohoo! This girl is graduating tomorrow. Yes. There you go. Here's the comments. She said thank you. Okay, let's find someone to raid. the 5-second guess. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm being rushed by the other one, who you'll probably never see, but she's on my YouTube channel. Let's see. Game dev finishes game. That sounds interesting. They already got 45 viewers though. All right, I'll see you guys later. I'll toss you somewhere. Okay. Later, boys and Beth. That's funny. All right. Bye, guys.
Sure, I literally like duplicated them.